You have influenced me to stop saying I cannot do something, because we always can in life. And that's often what I tell clients. No, you can engage in that manner. You're just choosing not to because of the level of pain you have, right?
Amen.
Yes. And so I have caught myself, even to my husband, Junior, and I go, whoa, we can, we're just choosing not to.
Right.
And I think that's very important. People don't really think about that. Oh, I can't do this, I can't go there. No, you can. It's a choice whether to engage in that manner or not.
Right. And in fact, I just, right before we started, I was doing a little brief video on artificial intelligence. And one of the things that I was talking about is I bet people watching this say, well, I can't do artificial intelligence because I'm too old, not smart enough, don't understand it, I'm not a coder, whatever, et cetera, et cetera. And I'm like, look, I get it, but you've already self-defined what you can and can't do. And then the next question that we get is, well, I don't know what to do first. And then I say, so like any way you go is no better or no worse than any other way you go? Well, yeah, because I don't know. I'm like, okay, well then just do something.